If you want to start earning passive income online and write your first ebook in just one day, then this video is for you. Not next month, not after building a huge audience, but right now, like tomorrow, even if you're busy or completely new. An ebook is one of the simplest digital products you can create, and it can become the foundation of your automated online business. Hi, my name is Jyotima, and I've made over 280,000 euro just with digital products under 50 euro. Yep, as a single mom. Back then in 2020, I had to do live workshop fairs or one-on-one coaching to get new clients. Now people call me the mini course queen. My business is fully automated, so I work maybe 25 hours a week. The rest of my time I'm walking my dog Sammy, hanging out with my teenage daughter, painting or enjoying my life. And the great news, you can start right here. Today I show you how to write an ebook in just one day and start earning money by tomorrow, even if you don't have a big following or lots of experience. So let's dive in. Chapter 1. Finding the right idea. So first thing, your ebook isn't about writing a fancy book. It's about solving one problem for one person. Don't try to solve everyone's problem. You're not God the Almighty. Just try one person, one pain point, and solve that in one book. Here's how I do it. I ask myself, what do people or my clients always ask me about? For example, how to get clients online. What comes easy for me, but is hard for others? What did I figure out what other people are struggling with? Like, for example, clarity or having ideas. Write it down. That's your starting point. Now write down 20 ideas, everything that you could solve for one person. Then I use this simple formula for clarity. I help A by doing B to achieve C is who you're helping, B is what they want to achieve, and C is how you help them. And then you can use a little trick by creating an avatar. Give her a name, imagine how she feels, what she wants, what she dreams of, what is keeping her awake at night. Like you can do your products for your past self, the version of you who was struggling back then, 20 years ago, 10 years ago. And if you do that, trust me, thousands of people can relate to it. Chapter 2, write your ebook in a day. Now let's write it. And yes, in a day. Take that Saturday, that day off, and start writing. Step 1, outline your chapters. 3 to 5 chapters with main points and sub-points is enough. Your book can be about 30 to 40 pages long in the end. Don't overthink it. And if you imagine you want to create a guideline for that special person, I'm sure you will find these chapters that create the path from A to B. Step 2, speak instead of typing. Seriously, just talk. Use your phone, your tablet or your laptop. Tools like Google Doc, voice typing, Otter.ia or Descript. Turn your words into text automatically. Pretend you're explaining it to a friend. That's it. Step 3. Proofread and format. Now you can hire someone on Fiverr to proofread your ebook and then format it on Canva. Canva is amazing for this. Step 4. Upload and sell. Put it on your website or on platforms like System.io, Stanstore or Samcart. I use platforms like Thrivecart or Digistore24. A bonus tip, monetize from day one. Pre-sale your ebook to friends, followers and newsletter subscribers even before it's finished. Add a simple extra tip like a checklist or audio version. It makes people buy faster. And tease a tiny upsell like a mini course or extra program. You can start generating extra revenue immediately. Chapter 3. Turn your ebook into a money machine. Here's the secret. One ebook alone won't make you rich. You need a simple system. I call it the mini course method. Product 1 is your core offer, the ebook. Product 2 is an order bump with an audio version, a workbook or checklist with small effort but big payoff. Product 3 is an upsell with a mini course or extra training that takes your buyers further. And remember, people aren't buying information. They are buying transformation. They want to go from where they are now to where they want to be. Your ebook is a cab that takes them there. Finally, automate as much as possible. Emails, upsells, cross sales, everything that can run on autopilot. That's how I work only 25 hours a week by making constant sales with digital products. If you want the full system, check out my book, The Mini Course Method. I show you how to turn your knowledge into ebooks and mini courses that will sell automatically, just like I do. Now go watch my next video in which I show you how to create passive income with digital products fast. See you there.